Good morning, guys. We are out and about in Phuket and we're gonna check out a lot of awesome sites today, but first we need some lunch.
So our accommodation is more north, so we've come south to explore some temples, and we're in kind of like a touristy mall district for lunch, and we're at Anne's Kitchen.
Coconut shake. Nick's addicted to Thai iced tea.
This is my fifth curry of the trip, but it doesn't make me any less excited.
How was it?
I know we haven't been in Thailand long, but that is probably the best curry I've ever had in my life. I did not have high expectations for this place, and the food was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we are here at the Big Buddha, and just a note, if you come, make sure your shoulders and knees are covered. They had pretty clear signs that they would not let you in if those areas were exposed.
Really imposing and huge. It's the third largest statue in Thailand. It was completed in 2014. It's massive.
So we're at Wat Chalong Dipple and Pagoda. There's actually a lot of temples here, and all of their styles are very different, and the gardens are so beautiful.
Yeah, the buildings are super ornate. It's a very, very unique style that I've never seen before.
I know. They close at 5, so we're not really able to go into most of them, but just staring at them in general, the architecture is crazy.
It still feels so wrong.
Good job.
Thanks.
We're back at the place, and we're headed to dinner, and also trying not to get hit by all the traffic coming.
And look at this. The tribe has spoken. So we had a great day. It was a bit of a long drive getting back to our place. We're pooped, but just about a 10-minute walk are these restaurants right on the beach with fresh seafood. The vibe is awesome. I got a spicy seafood stir fry with a fried egg, and it looks good. Michael and Allie both got shrimp Panang curry.
Looks pretty good too.
You're gonna need another plate of food.
It is a little light in terms of portion size. Stopping for snacks. There's a ton of noodles here. Thank you. Successful day. Nice haul from 7-Eleven. We're gonna go in and try our weird treats. Good night, everybody. Okay. That's it? Thank you. Woo!
How was it?
That was deep. I felt that.
Yeah. That one was painful.
That was deep.
That one was like, and she was like, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And like turned it.
Ugh. Okay.
All right, we're gonna go check out some beaches. Let's go.
We made it to our first beach.
Yep, we're at Nai Han Beach, which is at one of the southernmost points here in Phuket.
And there's this cute little cove, and the water's so beautiful and clear, and the sand is really sandy.
The temp is perfect too.
It's
Loving
very
it.
nice.
Great way to spend a day. There's all these restaurants and vendors and food stalls like just right off the beach.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. You gotta get a fruit shake if you're coming to Thailand. That's good. Beach number 2. Let's go.
Where are we, babe?
Karon Beach or Karon, I don't know, one of those.
If you know, let us know in the comments below.
So, when I was in the Frankfurt airport, before we were about to catch our flight to Phuket, I met a couple of guys in a store at the airport who had both been to Phuket multiple times. And they were like, "Where are you going?" And I said, "Phuket." And they were like, "Oh man, you've got to go to Freedom Beach. It's a bit of a hike from where you park. You gotta kind of trek down," which as you can see we're doing now, and it was quite the ascend to get up to the top of the hill where we parked the car. So we're not really sure how far we have to walk, but supposedly an awesome beach. Nomadic Matt also wrote about it. We'll see.
It's cool though. Scenic.
There's no monkeys here. Scaring alley. Those guys at the airport didn't say anything about how steep this was. They just acted like it was a little bit of a walk. Maybe we parked in the wrong spot. Watch us get down there and there be a parking lot. It'll be fun coming back up. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. Just wear good shoes.
the hike down here was so worth it. Look how beautiful. And there's shade.
Oh, you have 1, 2, 3. Oh, you have what?
Well, sadly, we're leaving Freedom Beach. That was awesome. If you come to Phuket, you should definitely go there. A little bit of work, but worth it. So we all agree that of all the beaches we visited so far, we liked Freedom the most. And I have this theory that it's because we had to work so hard to get to it. Definitely a story. Definitely something we'll remember. We did it.
That is a pig. Ooh.
That's how I'm about to be with wherever we're going to eat.